Okay, after repairing a cable fault and making new joints or something else, we must try and check if the cable is now okay or not. For that we use now the external device, switch it on, press the green button, but now additional there is another button under the table, and this button switches on the power supply to our VLF. Before we adjust it, we must also disconnect the output cable drum from the SPG40, and we must change it to the plug of the VLF, because we have two different units and we have two different outputs of the system, and to select which one we want to use, we can do it here by the controlling, but to get the output voltage we must also do it in the rear, but this I will show you later. Okay, this is our VLF 28. Maximum output voltage is 28 kV with 0.1 Hertz. VLF means very low frequency. You see, when we switch on when we get the power supply, the light is on. This is our interlock key. That means in case that somebody goes outside the van and you want to be sure that nobody can use it, we can take away the key. Then the system is blocked. Or we switch it on. And then we have only to follow the steps. This is the button to confirm and to adjust something. These are some function buttons for setup, and it is mentioned here. So first I press it, you see the star, it means VLF mode. If we want to select another mode, we can do it in SFL mode, that means sheath fault location mode, or we can do -DC mode, that means a hyper testing with a maximum output voltage of 28 kV DC. But in all kind of cables we should use VLF, because with DC test we create a new cable faults. And what we do with VLF, we only want to check that there are no old faults, you know, but we don't want to create new ones. For that we need to the testing time is about 60 minutes, and the output voltage should be 3 times UO. That means, for example, a 10 kV cable, 3 times UO is 18 kV. That means our testing time is 60 minutes by 18 kV for a 10 kV cable. Okay, confirm the mode, and you see it goes into the next. Here we can adjust the output voltage from 0 to 28, but here in our case I don't want to adjust so much. And also the time here, don't forget the 60 minutes, so I adjust now 60 minutes. 60 minutes, confirm, and you see automatically the system is preparing everything. And now we must press the green button. Again, you see there's a timer inside. Switch it on. Red means power supply high voltage is on and automatically starts to charge up your cable. First with minus voltage, and now it changes after 10 seconds into plus voltage. If you will get a breakdown during that testing time, it will mention here, and system will be stopped automatically. The next step will be then we have to go disconnect it from output plug VLF, connect it to output plug SPG40, and start with pre-location modes again. Okay. To switch off the system, we can confirm here, or also we can do it directly by the red button. So I switch it off now. System is now discharging the instrument and also the connected cable.